Welcome back to Vlada's Place. So if you decide to have a chickens, at some point you're gonna have to think about building a chicken nest.
Easiest and the most economical way to do it is just to find a very sturdy, heavy-duty box. This will do. It's a little bit shallow. What I normally like to do is use banana boxes because they are super thick. They are reinforced, as you can see over here. They also have these handles on the side, which is good. You can move the nest. They're thick, strong, and airy. Also, you see the holes on the box. That also helps. So basically what you do, you would just cut the box on a half like this, as you see, and then you would just fit one part to another. Okay, I hope you guys can see this really well because we have a lot of shadow coming up from the sun. So just try to bring it in as much as is possible.
Fitting one into another might take a minute since they're both the same size. So just work around it. This is a paper box after all, so you can just kind of work your way around it till you get desired dimension.
What's left to do, it's basically just to glue it all nicely together. You don't have to be too schmancy fancy. This serves the purpose.
All right, so just continue to reinforce it with the tape everywhere around, and basically this is it.
I mean, how cute is that? How cute. It costs you nothing. Your chickens will love it, and you're recycling. So this is the quickest and easiest way to getting to making a little chicken nest. Obviously, wooden one would work even better. It would look prettier, but this is doable and it's super quick, super easy. And as I said, one thing that I love the most about these is they're sturdy, and in a couple of 3 months I'm going to replace them with the fresh new nests.
All that's left to do is to add some fresh hay. While these chicken nests might look very primitive to you, I want to just reassure you that they work wonderfully for chickens. First, they're made out of a carton, sturdy carton, which will keep the nest dry. They don't cost you anything, you are able to recycle, and they are disposable. Bringing anything new to chicken coop might cause a little extra commotion. However, chickens are curious little creatures and they will quickly adapt to the new addition in their little coop. Since these boxes are really lightweight, I would suggest putting a cement block or something heavy in front of them so the chickens will not flip them over. And it looks like we have the first customer. She's checking it out, just making sure it's okay. And it looks like we are approved. Yay! All right, so this was really simple. As I said, the boxes are easy to build. The chickens will like them, and in exchange, they're gonna give you a bunch of good homegrown eggs. Thank you so much for stopping by Vlada's Place and for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe because we have so many more simple and helpful videos on its way. And if you have a minute, I would suggest you check out our charity called Vlada's Seeds of Life, whose mission is to help reconnect families and communities in America. Thank you again for watching. We will see you soon. And until then, please take good care of yourself and those around you.